Sweetie. That's it, the dirty washing in the machine. Bravo, again. Come on. We have to fill the machine, eh? Yeah, Papa's jeans in the machine. Thank you. In the machine. Inside. Inside. Bravo. Oh, and the socks inside. Socks. That's it. Yeah? That's Mila's skirt.
Ga dat strijken?
Nee joh.
Ga dat niet strijken?
Nooit.
Nooit?
Nee joh. Hi Jules. Say hello to Irene.
Hey,
Frank? And look at your granddaughter who's busy doing all the domestic chores. The bin. Oh yeah, that's a bin.
She's working hard.
Mila, you put everything in the machine. Come on, help Papa. Help Papa. The sock inside.
Yeah.
Bravo. The bib goes inside. That's it. Yeah, no, inside.
Inside. In the washing machine.
Oh, bravo. Oh, that's dirty, dirty. Kaka, kaka. Dirty. Has to be cleaned. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, so she picks that one up. Inside.
Yeah.
Oh. You clean it. Good girl. That's it.
Oh.
Oh,
That is pants in the machine.
that's hard. Shall I help you?
Hard work, yeah.
Papa help? Papa help? Yeah. Put this one inside. Look. Oh, TT. Yeah, inside. And you put that inside? This one, Mila? You put this one inside? Oh, we're putting it out. Is it finished? Yeah? You're gonna clean it? Oh, oh, oh. Outside? You take it outside? Oh, thank you, TT. I'll clean the floor. Look. Clean, clean. Look. You gonna clean the floor? Clean, clean. Clean everything. That's it. Oh!
Yeah. Daddy's training you well, hè?
Come on, clean it, sweetie. Clean.
Oh, slauwe arbeid is dat, ja.
Yeah. Bravo, Mila. You missed a spot. You missed a spot, sweetie. That's enough. You gonna crawl, Titi? Titi? Yeah, that's Papa.